Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cute little speaker, comes with the bag and everything, I guess. It says Born to be Wild. And so let's open this up here. So bag's empty, and here we have here, it says open here. So there we are, opening it. It's a nice box, feel it, it's a nice solid box. Okay, let's open this up, and in here we have the little speaker. Look at this thing, it's small. And it seems like it's got a lot of features to it. So let's open it up here and see what else we have in here. We have the little card for it. And under here, we have a charging cable. It looks like it's going to charge from USB to USB-C. And we have our little manual. And I think that's going to be everything in here. And then we get the really nice case. Super cool case. Okay. So let's check out the device. So man, this is sweet looking. Okay, so let's see what we got here in the different pieces and parts. Let's see what it has. You know what? I think I might just give it a try without even going to any manuals. So let's see. On the side of it, it has Bluetooth setting. I think I can go to Bluetooth. Actually, do I have to turn it on? Let's see. We've got a lot of different settings on here. Might have to charge this. Yeah, there's the charging port is right there on the side. It looks like, feels like a really durable, cool little device. But let me go and charge this thing, and I will. Okay, we got it figured out now. Okay, so I got it connected up. So the way it works is we can, if we hold this little button down, it'll go into Bluetooth pairing mode, and then this flashes up here. Let me see if I can show you here. I don't know if it'll do it again. Oh, and there, off and then on. There, and you can kind of see it's in the flashing mode, so it's trying to pair. And then I think I paired it here, and it was called Muzen Wild Mini. So there, that's what it's connected as. And so I am connected to it now. Hey, everybody. Ah, that's loud. Okay, and it is ridiculously loud. It's heavy. It's got some weight to it. But okay, so there's that. And then we have the strap holder, which is this little device right here. We have a little flashlight up top, which I think you just hold down this button and maybe turn it on. Can't remember. Yeah, there we go. So you can have a little flashlight if you want it. And then this is the pause and play buttons. Watch, so if I do this. Yeah, I have there. So, and then this is the volume. So let me turn it way down because it gets really loud for such a small one. And then this here is the next and previous. So let's see. So if I turn it up, oh, that's up. And then I do that, you know, there it's going to go back to the beginning of the video, and there it skips to the next video. Mine are all start with the same thing, and then pause. So how cool is that? So it's got all the stuff on it, and it's a really cool, cute looking speaker, and super, it's like metal and heavy duty. It seems like it would be good for like a Jeep person or something like that, but super nice. I mean, this is like coolest little speaker, and it gets ridiculously loud. I mean, that was super loud. I don't know if you guys can tell, but what if I play something? I can only play stuff like me, but this is full blast, and that's pretty loud. I'm sure my neighbors can. I'm sure my neighbors can hear this now. You guys probably can't hear me because it's on so loud. But that is a really cool speaker, and then this side here has the little charging port, so you can charge it up. So I'm gonna say this little Muzen speaker is super awesome, and the case and everything else, man, it looks like it's like the ruggedest, awesomest thing. So thumbs up for sure.